Every human being definitely has their own personality, and how a person's appearance can reflect different personalities. There are many ways to identify a person's personality. First, rectangular legs. The characteristic feature is that the thumb, index finger and middle finger are longer than the ring finger and little finger. This characteristic shows that you are an extrovert. Proof: many lawyers and famous speakers have this type of foot. Second, all toes have the same length. This characteristic shows that you are a capable and reliable person. Also, you are a rational thinker and can make correct decisions. Third, longitudinal leg. The characteristic feature is that the index finger is longer than the other fingers, or it looks like a triangle shape. If you have this type of foot, you are an athletic and confident person. And fourth, lower leg. The height of the fingers is decreasing starting from the thumb up to the little finger. This characteristic shows that you are a moody person who knows how to keep secrets. Second, handiwork results. A neat painting symbolizes that someone is clean and neat, also symbolizes that someone is diligent. In addition, the color used by a person to color his painting or make a handiwork also affects that person's personality. For example, if you use a lot of bright colors, it symbolizes that you are a cheerful person and make people around you comfortable with you. While a dirty drawing symbolizes that you are a dirty person and not good at keeping yourself tidy. It also shows that you are a lazy person. If you are a hardworking person, you will definitely try more to make your handiwork beautiful. The color used, if it is a dark color or the color you use only a little, it means that you are a cold person and make people around you feel uncomfortable being close to you. It also shows you going through a lonely and joyless life. Third, hair types. First of all, curly hair. If you have curly hair, it shows that you are a good-hearted person, not easily anxious and comforting others. Second, hair dyed with bright colors such as maroon, purple, red, blue and others. It symbolizes that you are brave, sociable and have a high level of self-confidence. Third, curly hair. The habit of people with curly hair is to be proactive and like to help others. Also has a sensitive personality and is easy to get along with. Fourth, straight hair. Those who have this type of hair are usually responsible and like to take care of themselves. Thus, they arrange their beloved crowns neatly. Generally, those who have straight hair are women because they like neatness in themselves. There are actually many other types of hair around you, but here I just want to pick a few. We will continue in part 2. Thank you for watching. I hope it is useful and I hope to see you in the next video.